we're up here in West Virginia today. And Wayne, I thank you for inviting me. What kind of problems have you seen the pfree solve in these black urinals here at the club?
Well, I guess we have hard water, or I don't know if it's calcium that's in the urine or what it is, but we're having major problems with calcium. Well, we were having major problems with calcium. The urinals themselves would actually neck down smaller than like a stir stick for a drink.
Wow.
And I mean, if you poke it to break it to pieces, it would break, but then it would clog the pipe. So we had a major clog that we thought we were going to have to jackhammer the floor for. But pfree, after about a week, actually ate through it and cleaned it up. After other acids didn't, it was actually down like a month.
Wow.
So luckily we didn't have to tear our floor up.
Appreciate it. And now you're doing it on a PM basis?
Yes, I
Every
think
Monday, every Friday.
every Monday and Friday.
Every Monday and Friday?
We're torn between which to do, but Friday is the busy time, but Monday is after the busy time. So we figure just before, just after, because he's noticed that the urine smell is gone. You can see we have air fresheners absolutely everywhere. And the main reason why that is because you get a urine smell. And since he's been using this, it's gone. It's just completely gone. It's
Yeah,
amazing.
That's awesome.
I've been in this business 15 years and it's amazing.
Yeah, he owns
Really?
this is Jeremy. He
Yeah, I
owns the
run the
company.
business, Gilbert Services.
Nice to meet you, Jeremy.
Yeah, I like this machine here, you can pressure wash and usually eliminate everything, and you still couldn't get the urine smell out of here. That stuff took it out perfectly.
Wow.
I mean, like, it's a night and day difference here.
And this, so for as long as you've been doing this, this has been a problem?
For sure, for years. Wow. Yeah.